Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing fabulous today. Today's video is sponsored by Rpghair, so I'll be installing this wig and giving you my review on it. You know, I did get some goodies in the package, which comes in so handy. Before I get into the review though, guys, remember, leave a like on the video, and if you're new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. So this is the unit, and they sent me over a water curl wear and go 9x6 HD lace wig. Now this is glueless and it's pre-everything. You can see here, it's pre-cut, it's pre-bleached, it's pre-parted for you, it's pre-everything. One and done. So all you need to do is to just put this on your head. The combs do come off easily, so if you're not a fan of the combs, you can remove them and add it back when you wish. It does have this extendable removable band with a silicone on it so that it stays stuck to your head and your wig can stay in place. So let's just get right into this installation process, and I'm done. Like, this is all I needed to do. Put the wig on my head. The lace has disappeared. I do not need to cut any lace. I do not need to bleach the lace. What lace? So far so good. Let me position this and begin working on it just a little bit. I'm telling you, I should be finished with this in 5 minutes or less. So I like to use my Rapid Shine foaming lotion on the lace, so no glue, no spray necessary at all. I just use this foaming lotion because I love a fresh out the salon look on my units, even when it's an easy wear and go wig. So this is really all that I'll be doing to the lace. I comb that in, making sure that it's on the lace and on the hairline, and then I use the band, which does come in the package, and I tie this down while I begin to work on the hair itself. What I love about this unit, it does have the C-shape ear fit design, so it's comfortable around my ears. And I did show you the removable combs, which I did end up removing just for a comfortable fit. And of course, I will be leaving the link to the unit in the description, guys, so you can go ahead and check that out. And now I am just working on the hair itself. I'm applying some water to it. It's a water curl unit, so I'm getting those curls back in, and I'm going to be using some mousse on this as well. Now this is a 200% density unit, so it's quite voluminous and full, which I love, but at the same time, as I work through it, no shedding, and it's very easy to work with. I also got this in 22 inches, so it's quite long and it does retain that length. I also like to add some of the foaming lotion to the top of the hair itself, just to make sure there are no flyaways and that it's laid down. Once I do that, I begin twisting the unit. I separate it in about 4 equal parts, and I begin twisting it because I'm going to allow this to air dry. Now let's go ahead and take a look on that lace, guys, and just like that, melted into the skin. This looks like I did a whole thing. I cut the lace, I melt the lace, but no, all I did was add a little foaming lotion, and that's all this unit needed. I also love the plucking job that they did. It is plucked really well, and it does give the idea that the hair is growing from my scalp, which I love. It looks really natural. So for me, for my curly units, I love to add a little baby hair. So I'm going to add in one to the left, one to the right. That's it. But as you guys can see, you can totally skip this step. It's not necessary at all. And now I went ahead, I pulled those twists out and the curls are looking so juicy. Now I'm going to be adding in some makeup around the hairline and also some concealer to brighten and define that parting space. And that's it. That is literally it for the installation process, guys. Let's get into our favorite part, the final look. So this is the finished look, guys, and I must say that I love the unit. It's a 9x6 closure unit, so a lot of lace to play around with. I definitely love that. I didn't need to cut any lace. I didn't need to pluck any hairline. Everything came pre-done, and I was happy for that. As you can see here, it's 100% glueless. I can just slip this off my head and I'm good to go. The link to the unit is in the description, so go ahead and check it out. Thank you so much to Rpghair for sending this over. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.